Hello from the Bureau with your national weather forecast. Looking at conditions heading into Wednesday night and then tomorrow, Thursday the 12th of December. First, a look at the synoptic map, and again tonight we see that contrast between wet and stormy conditions across northern Australia, while across the south it is remaining mostly dry. The main watch points for this afternoon and heading into tonight are the possibility of severe thunderstorms for northeast New South Wales, central and northern Queensland, the Northern Territory and much of Western Australia. We could also see the possibility of gusty storms developing as far south as the Perth Hills, and that's in addition to severe heatwave conditions across southern parts of WA. So if you are in these areas, be sure to check out our dedicated severe weather update video for more information on the heat and also the storms. There is one exception to this though, and that's Tasmania, with a cold front pushing through tonight that will bring showers as well as some pretty gusty winds. Heading into tomorrow, Thursday, and the main weather feature across the south is this very broad ridge of high pressure extending from the west and into the centre of the country. There is a lot of heat across southern WA, and as that ridge pushes towards the east, it will carry heat into South Australia, Victoria and New South Wales, particularly heading towards the weekend. Elsewhere across the country, rain across the Queensland coast with a coastal trough developing through the day. There is a possibility of heavy falls through some areas. For other areas though, showers across the north, but showers easing across Tasmania once that cold front moves through. So now state by state look, starting off in Queensland. Showers, rain and thunderstorms, mostly north of about Bundaberg. The heaviest falls are expected between Yeppoon and up to Cairns. We could see isolated falls in excess of 100 millimetres tomorrow. Showers and storms also extending to the Gulf country and the far north of the Cape York Peninsula, but it will be a dry and hot day through the west and also dry across southeast Queensland, but we still do have a number of flood warnings and watches current, especially around Kingaroy. For Brisbane, partly cloudy with a top of 31. For New South Wales, a few isolated showers and storms about the tablelands, also a few showers about the south coast, mainly in the morning and early afternoon, but then it is looking like a dry and warmer day right across New South Wales. Sunny and 28 in Sydney, as high as 34 degrees for Western Sydney, partly cloudy and 31 degrees in Canberra. For Victoria, cloudy south of the Divide with a few showers in the morning, mostly about the coast. They'll become more isolated through the day. We're not expecting anything more than a few millimetres, mainly through the southwest and also around Wilson's Prom. Also the possibility of a few showers about the ranges, but we will see afternoon sunny breaks. Melbourne, a possible early shower, then partly cloudy in 26, reaching the low 30s for the north of Victoria. For Tasmania, windy and cloudy with quite a few showers about through the day. We could see falls of up to 30 millimetres through the west, but then those showers will contract to west and southwest and also southern parts of the state. Hobart, a few showers in 19 degrees, a little bit milder through the north. For South Australia, cloudy with a few showers for Kangaroo Island and also the southeast of the state. That will contract to the coast into the afternoon, but it will be quite a cool day under cloud cover. But anywhere north of Victor Harbour is expecting a sunny and also quite a warm day. Sunny and 27 for Adelaide, hot in the north, and heatwave conditions starting to develop about western parts of South Australia, and they'll extend to most of the state heading to Friday and Saturday. In Western Australia, continuing to be hot and unsettled, there is a possibility of storms from inland from about Esperance through the wheat belt, but they are more likely through the Pilbara and Gascoyne, where heavy falls continue to be a possibility. Still quite hot. Perth will have passed the peak of the heat, 36 degrees, but the storms will have pushed out away from the coast. Finally, across northern Australia, showers and storms continuing. Heavy falls through the Carpentaria and also through the Gregory district, inland parts of the Kimberley. Showers and a possible storm at the top of 33 degrees in Darwin. That's your forecast for today. For the latest information and warnings, check out our website, our app, follow us on the social medias, and as always, please stay safe.